All right, so here we're ready to look at our last extension, which is ChatGPT Writer. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, or I'll cut it, and show you how to access this extension. Now, because this is a Chrome extension, this extension works inside of Gmail. So when you open your Gmail and you go to compose a new message, right next to the send button, you'll see a circle with the lightning bolt in it. If you click on the circle, you'll be presented with this modal. And here, if you already have an email that you've received and you want to respond to, you're going to paste this email in this space here. So I'm going to go ahead and repaste the email. And this is an email that comes from a fictional boss at a fictional company, but the email is requesting an updated content on their social media platform. So I've pasted this email, and I am now going to briefly describe what I want and how I want ChatGPT to respond. So here I'm just going to say, write an email that says, I am working on the updated content and I will post it soon. All right, so it's very quick. You don't have to worry about the tone. You just need to give ChatGPT kind of the direction that you want it to go in. So in one sentence, I have explained to ChatGPT the basic response that I want to send to my boss. And now I'm going to click generate email. And here, ChatGPT is automatically responding to Tom Jackson, which is the sender of the first email. And ChatGPT is signing with Sarah Smith, which is who the first email was sent to. So this is the fictional employee at the fictional company. And here, on the behalf of Sarah Smith, ChatGPT says, I hope this email finds you well. Thank you for reaching out regarding our company's social media presence. I'm currently working on updating our content and will post it soon. I understand the importance of maintaining an active and engaging social media presence, and I will make sure that the content I provide is visually appealing, informative, and relevant to our target audience. I will also ensure that it complies with our social media policy. Please let me know if there is anything specific that you would like me to include in the updated content. I am happy to work with you to make sure that social media presence is the best that it can be. Thank you for your support and thank you for your support and encouragement. Best regards, Sarah Smith. So here, by us simply typing one sentence, we were able to generate a full email in response to the email that was received. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and click Insert Generated Response. And our response has been completed. And at this point, we can simply come in and send this to our boss. And we could also add a subject. But actually, since this is in response to an email that we've already received, the subject would already be populated. So that is how easy it would be to use ChatGPT to respond to emails. So not only can we use ChatGPT to draft emails, but with this extension, we can quickly incorporate ChatGPT into our email response. And we won't have to go back over into the application, but we can simply use ChatGPT to write our response for us.